In the lush forests of Vietnam, a remarkable discovery was made in 1992. It was the Saola, often called the Asian unicorn. But this wasn't a mythical beast. It was very real and very rare. The discovery shocked the scientific community. How could such a large mammal have gone unnoticed for so long? It was found during a survey by the Vietnamese Ministry of Forestry and the World Wildlife Fund. The team found unusual horns in a hunter's home. These horns belonged to no known species. Further investigation revealed a living animal. The Saola was a type of antelope so unique it was given its own genus. This was the first large mammal discovered in over 50 years. The name Saola comes from the Vietnamese words for spindle and horn. This refers to the animal's long, straight horns. The discovery sparked a wave of excitement, but sightings were few and far between. The Saola is a marvel of nature. It's about the size of a small deer. Its most striking feature is its pair of long, parallel horns. These horns can grow up to 50 centimeters long. They're found on both males and females. The Saola's face is equally distinctive. It has white markings that resemble a mask. Large, dark eyes peer out from this mask. The animal's overall coloring is a rich brown. White patches dot its chin and throat. Its legs are marked with black and white. Despite its nickname, the Saola is not related to unicorns or rhinos. It's actually a member of the bovine family, a distant cousin of cattle and bison. The Saola's body is built for its forest home. It has long, flexible legs to navigate dense undergrowth. Its hooves are wide and splayed to prevent sinking into the soft forest floor. The Saola also has an unusually long tongue to help it eat leaves and fruits. All these features make the Saola perfectly adapted to its environment. The Saola calls the Annamite Range its home. This mountain range stretches along the border of Vietnam and Laos. It's a place of mist-shrouded peaks and dense forests. The landscape is rugged and remote. These forests are known as the Annamite rainforests. The climate here is warm and wet, creating a lush, green paradise. Tall trees form a thick canopy overhead. Below, a tangle of vines and shrubs covers the forest floor. The Saola prefers to live near rivers and streams. It's thought to inhabit both lowland and mountainous areas, always within the shelter of the forest. The animal is rarely seen in open areas and seems to avoid human settlements. The Annamite range is home to many other unique species. Some, like the Saola, have only been discovered recently. This makes the region a hotspot of biodiversity. The Saola shares its home with animals like the Annamite striped rabbit and the Truong Son muntjac. The Saola faces a dire situation. It's listed as critically endangered by the IUCN. Experts believe there may be fewer than 750 Saolas left. Habitat loss and hunting are major threats. Snares set for other animals often injure or kill Saolas. All these factors put the Asian unicorn in grave danger. Conservationists are working hard to save the Saola. Despite challenges, several initiatives are underway. Key strategies include habitat protection and snare removal. Conservation groups work with local governments to establish protected areas. Rangers patrol forests, removing snares. Education and community involvement are also key. Programs offer alternative livelihoods, reducing hunting and logging. The goal is to help both wildlife and human communities thrive. The Saola is more than just a rare animal. It's a symbol of the unknown wonders our planet holds. Its discovery reminded us that there's still much to learn about Earth's biodiversity. Preserving the Saola means preserving the possibility of future discoveries. Biodiversity is crucial for healthy ecosystems. Each species plays a role in its environment. The loss of even one species can have far-reaching effects. In the case of the Saola, we're still learning about its role. But we know it's part of a unique and fragile ecosystem. Protecting the Saola means protecting this entire system. The Saola also has cultural significance. It's sometimes called the Asian unicorn, reflecting its mythical status in local folklore. For many people in Vietnam and Laos, the Saola represents the magic of their forests. Losing the Saola would mean losing a part of this cultural heritage. In saving the Saola, we might just be saving a piece of our own future.